Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and account readiness. Check your phone's specifications and EMA for 5G support, then make sure your Airtel SIM is provisioned for 5G. Once done, request a SIM upgrade via Airtel app, UST, or a store if needed, and verify your tariff supports 5G data. Make sure mobile data and network mode are enabled. This first set of actions clears account and device blockers so you can connect immediately. Next, you configure the phone to use 5G. Open Settings, go to Mobile Networks, and choose 5G/NR Preferred or Automatic. If options are hidden, toggle Airplane Mode for 10 seconds and retry. This forces the phone to re-register with Airtel. Once the SIM is active, reboot the device so the carrier can push 5G provisioning. Also confirm the APN remains the Airtel default. Incorrect APNs can prevent data even when the radio connects. Finally, verify success by checking the status bar for a 5G icon and running a quick speed test. This confirms throughput and latency improvements. If you don't see 5G, move nearer a window or to known Airtel 5G zones because coverage and indoor penetration vary. If problems persist, troubleshoot. Restart the phone, switch network mode to LTE, then back to 5G, and reinsert the SIM. If still failing, contact Airtel support and provide your EMA and exact location for provisioning checks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.